Hello everyone, myself lecturer Ms. Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss regarding introduction to the monophasic liquid dosage forms, in that specially the liquid meant for external administration, that liquids applied on skin. So the liniments are fluid, semi-fluid or occasionally semi-solid preparations that are intended for application to the skin. They may be alcoholic or oily solutions or emulsions. Most are massaged into the skin. For an example, counter-irritant. Liniment should not be applied to the broken skin. Recommended containers are: liniment should be dispensed in colored fluted bottle. Special labeling instructions for liniments are: for external use only, shake well before use, and not to be applied to open wound or broken skin. Storage: liniment should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. In next session we will discuss regarding actual experiment.
Experiment number 49. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the turpentine and acetic acid liniment 10 ml. Preposition 1 is camphorated oil. It can be used in the preparation of other liniments. So, to understand the use and the method of preparation of above mentioned liniment, ability to prepare and label liniment correctly, apparatus required are dry bottle, measuring cylinder, factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 100 is equal to 0.1. So we have this prescription which is denoted by symbol Rx, that is glacial acetic acid 10 ml, liniment of camphor 45 ml, means the camphorated oil which is prepared in the previous experiment, turpentine oil to prepare up to 100 ml. Type: the formulation table include the type, that is the category, role or the use of ingredient. Then translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system is not given over here, as we don't have the quantities in the Latin terms. Quantity given in the metric system to prepare up to 100 ml and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. So glacial acetic acid used as a preservative, that is as an antibacterial or antifungal. Quantity given in the metric system is a 10 ml and quantity taken in the metric system to prepare up to 0.1 ml. Then liniment of camphor used as a counter irritant, pain reliever, anti-itching agent. Quantity given in the metric system is a 45 ml and quantity taken in metric system, that is 4.5 ml. Turpentine oil used as a preservative and vehicle. Quantity given to prepare up to 1000 ml and quantity taken in the metric system to prepare quantity sufficient up to 10 ml. So, as we know, this liniment of camphor which is prepared in the previous experiment, that is camphorated oil, so that should be used in this experiment. Direction: to be used as directed by physician.
Let's move for performing actual experiment in laboratory. We have this is the glacial acetic acid which is previously weighed. From this camphor we already prepared the camphor liniment, that is the camphorated oil in previous experiment, so that is taken into this beaker, and this is the turpentine oil, so which is also previously weighed into this beaker. Now we will proceed for actual procedure. So in this dry bottle I pour this camphorated oil into it. Then after that I am going to add this glacial acetic acid into it. Then again, after shaking it properly, I am going to add next this oil into it. Again I added this turpentine oil into this previous solution, and then again shake it vigorously for proper mixing. So after that I transfer this solution from this dry bottle to this container and make up the volume up to 10 ml, and then again going to transfer it into this container, and then we will proceed for next labeling part. So now let's move towards labeling part. So labeling of formulation liniment 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number, that is XYZ number given in the register. Dispensed by PQR means name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date September 2020. Storage section with special instruction labeled as shake well before use. Thank you.